the agriculture work, which was maintained or regulated by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India.
Good. Nabad. Now, can you tell me about KYC? What is KYC? How to get it
So
done?
KYC, so KYC is a know your customer. It is the tool which was introduced by RBI in 2002 for the identification of the customer and their identification for the identification of the customer and for the transparency in the economy. The RBI introduced a KYC tool.
And also to avoid
Sorry,
money
sir.
laundering transactions.
Okay, sir. Money laundering transactions.
You know what is money laundering?
Yes, sir. Money laundering is a thing which by which a person make black money in a white money, Trans transform black money to into the white money.
Okay. What is black money?
Black money, the amount which was. Can I speak in Hindi?
No problem. You can speak in any language whether I understand or not. No, आप
Okay, sir.
हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं. Interview can be in English or Hindi. हाँ जी.
ओके सर. सर ब्लैक मनी वो अमाउंट होता है जो टैक्स पेयर्स अपना टैक्स बचाकर कुछ अमाउंट रख लेते हैं, मतलब कुछ हाइड करके जो अमाउंट रख लेते हैं टैक्स पेयर्स, उसको ही वो ही एक क्यूमुलेटिव जो अमाउंट होता है वही ब्लैक मनी हो जाता है.
Not only that, money which is earned through illegal means.
ओके, फ्रॉम द टैक्स इवेजन एंड द
Corruption,
इलीगल मीन्स.
corruption money, etc. Illegal money. उसको भी वाइट करना करते हैं. That is known as money laundering.
मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग, ठीक है.
Good.
सर ये जो टेररिज्म वगैरह का आएगा वो भी इसी में ही आएगा जो हम टेररिज्म का डालते हैं.
Terrorism also, it is a question of money laundering. Terrorism के लिए पैसा जो आता है वो मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग थ्रू में तो जाएगा, अदरवाइज इट कैन नॉट रीच द एंड ऑफ द अदर पर्सन.
ओके सर.
Yeah. Now, Sonali ji. Sonali,
जी सर.
you are commerce, na?
नो सर, कंप्यूटर साइंस स्टूडेंट.
Oh, computer.
आई एम अ कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट.
Who is commerce?
सर रेशु गर्ग.
रेशु गर्ग. तब तो आप इसको आंसर कर लीजिए. What are the items that will appear under liability side, asset side of a bank balance sheet?
Okay, sir. Sir, the items comes in a liability side, which was a services. The services we were get from for the business. We put it in the liability side. For an example, we will put wages or something like that in the
No, Baba,
liability
no.
side.
No, sorry.
Sir,
You are on the
can
wrong,
I?
you are on the wrong track. I asked you to go by metro train. You are going by flight. Huh?
Uh,
Totally wrong answer. Liability. Yeah. Who wants to
अभी
try?
मैंने prepare नहीं
Sir, can I?
करी.
Who? Yeah. Who is trying? Come on, please try.
Sir, Ramanpreet.
Yeah.
Sir, liabilities, it includes capital, reserves,
Ah.
and the deposits.
Ah.
And so in asset side, we can have our cash, investment, the loans and advances offered by bank, and investment in other banks as well.
And also, fixed assets, buildings,
Yes, sir. Fixed
computer,
building, land.
computer,
Yes, sir.
land, etc. Very good. Correct. And probably sundries receivable will come under asset side, sundries payable will come under, other payments will
Current
come
assets.
under liabilities side. रेशु गर्ग समझ गए आपका मिस्टेक है.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now comes to Sonali ji. Sonali, computer girl. Computer girl. Are you aware of, sorry, now I will come to this. Tell me the difference between GPRS and CDMA.
Sir, GPRS, geological positioning system, and I don't know about the other term, sir.
Even first one you don't know. GPRS is General Packet Radio Service. Hello. These questions are there in our Adda material, 10 pages material for given for IBPS and other things. So you must prepare for this. These questions they will definitely ask you. Okay.
So please send that PDF again. I couldn't find it yesterday. I tried to find it, but
You are in which group?
sir, SBI IBPS.
1 minute. Again I will post it. Again I will post it. No problem. Please wait. Adda, adda, adda. Adda, adda. Adda 247 SBI IBPS RRB interview 2021. All of you, you can download that and make use of it. Anybody who is not a member of the Telegram group, you can. Yeah, anybody who is not a member, please.
Sir, me Nikita. I am not a member of Telegram group.
Oh, are you having Telegram in your cell phone?
I have.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes means you search for first up is you come to SIVAN 2020. S for sugar, I for India, V for victory, A for apple, N for Nagpur, 2 for 2, 0 for 0, 2 for 2, 0 for 0, 72020. समझ गया?
Yes,
आप उसमें आ जाइए. I will give you the links of another site SBI IBPS. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Sonali is now in.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah. Yeah, tell me.
So yesterday, I just have a question that what is the difference between RTGS and NEFT and the mobile wallet?
RTGS and NEFT in a mobile wallet.
Now, what is the difference between RTGS and NEFT? That is that I know that it was introduced by RBI and the mobile wallet was introduced by the NPCI. But when the interviewers ask me as a commerce student, they might be asked me that what's beneficial for
mobile wallet is different, you know. Mobile wallet is like Paytm, Airtel wallets, where we are debiting our accounts and keeping the balance in that account and are using the wallet for purchase of things. Whereas NEFT, RTGS, they are remittances.
Okay, sir.
These two are
So one more thing.
entirely different. Yeah.
So
Now-
one more thing.
Yeah.
Sir, the question which was I heard yesterday in a particular video, the interviewer said that if I have a daughter of 12 years and she is in minor state, right? So if he or she wants to withdraw amount from the bank account, is he or she will be applicable for withdrawal amount from the bank?
No, it depends, you know. Some banks allow people 10 years and above to have their own account. Only condition is they have to come in person and use withdrawal slip for withdrawing the money. It differs from bank to bank.
So,
If the
what-
account has been opened with the guardian signature only, you cannot give money to minor. If the account has been opened with minor signature, then it can be allowed over the counter.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
या सोनाली जी आपको व्हाट इज वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग?
So video conferencing, with the help of that, we can talk to another person with the help of videos, or we two or more person can join that.
Okay, what are the
So
different
it-
icons present in your desktop?
So what are the different types of?
Icons
So my computer.
yeah, in
Which
your
icon?
computer desktop.
Ji sir. So my computer,
Okay.
recycle bin,
uh,
programs,
uh,
and other files, etc.
एटसेट्रा बोलने से तो आप क्यों इतना कष्ट लेके इधर से उधर जाते हैं भाई? बताओ ना, बोलो. ये
So there are many
आंसर हम लोग आंसर देने के लिए जा रहे हैं, उधर जाके एटसेट्रा बोलने से उसको कैसे गुस्सा आएगा, हमको भी गुस्सा आता है। आपने तो बोलना है क्या क्या आप रखा है नहीं रखा है, मेरे को पूछने से तो हम बताएगा आई हैव गॉट मेजर थिंग इज माई कंप्यूटर, then what is that Zoom app, then I have what is that recycle bin and other folders of various things that I need from day to day. The question is asked to find out how we are making use of the icons. समझ गया?
जी सर.
What is the difference between bug, error, defect, fault and failure? So you have to
Sir.
yeah, you know that?
Error.
Yeah, bug error का विद्या difference क्या है?
Sir, error, in case of error, the file doesn't work properly, or due to due to loss of internet connection, or
I have given you this material today. You please go through that. Sonali, it is there
Okay, sir.
it is there in page number 7. Interview questions for computer science graduates. They are given about 10 plus 10, 20 plus 25 plus 15, 40 questions they have given. Please go through that. If you don't know the answer, Google search and try to get the answers. Prepare yourself. Nikita More, Nikita ji,
Yes, sir.
your main forgotten. What is the main? Major.
What, sir?
Major. What is your major study? Degree.
Biomedical engineering.
अरे बाबा, बायोमेडिकल हमको नहीं चाहिए. हाँ. Please tell me what is meant by bank rate.
Sir, bank rate is a rate at which so I forgot it.
At
Suppose, sir, I'm confused between. Yesterday I read about it. I just got confused between the repo rate and bank rate, because bank rate nowadays we don't use bank rate a lot.
No.
It is
Repo
kind
rate. Listen. Repo rate is the rate at which Reserve Bank of India lends money to commercial banks for short duration, 1 day to 90 days. Bank rate is the rate at which Reserve Bank lends money to commercial banks for longer duration. इसका अलावा when banks need some additional finance, they do go for MSF. That is also same rate of interest, 4.25%.
So, sir, bank rate is for the longer duration.
Yeah,
Yes. Okay, sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
Next question. How many districts are there in your state?
Sir, 36 districts,
Uttar Pradesh,
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra, 36 districts. Which is the biggest district in Maharashtra? You don't know. Doesn't matter. What is your what is your ambition in life?
So my ambition is to become successful and contribute to society. It is my ambition.
What is-
because I have,
What is today's or yesterday's headlines?
sir,
News-
I haven't read today's newspaper.
yesterday. Yesterday's
Yeah.
news.
Yesterday I read about India-Pakistan news. Like Pakistan is cease firing हो रही है पाकिस्तान के साथ, मतलब पीस हो रहा है पाकिस्तान के साथ.
Very
तो
good.
मैंने
Very good, very good. Now, one more question for you. Who is your role model and what are the qualities you would like to learn from him or her?
So my role models is my mom, dad. Both are my role models because उन्होंने जैसी सिचुएशन देखी है लाइफ में, उन्होंने कभी गिव अप नहीं किया है एंड पॉजिटिविटी कभी छोड़ी नहीं है. मतलब और कितना भी टेंशन आ गए तो वो कामली उससे डील करते हैं. ऐसे नहीं कि एकदम हाइपर, मतलब एकदम कामली डील करते हैं, तो वो क्वालिटीज मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है।
Good,
तो वो
good.
मेरे रोल
Sufficient. Good. Ankita Das ji.
Yes, sir.
Ankita Das. Which area would you like me to ask question? Tell me anything.
Sir, anything, whatever
Okay, tell me what is
you.
a gold bond? Sovereign gold bond.
Sir, sovereign gold bonds, those are kind of bonds in which physical gold is not involved, but we can invest in those bonds at the raise at the gold rates, and later on we can encash it if we
Super.
want.
Correct, correct, correct. Famous persons from your native place.
Sir, famous person from my native place is Shakti Kanta Das, sir, who is the governor of RBI right now. And then, sir, deputy governors like BP Kanungo, then Sir Michael Pat.
I know, I know. Yesterday also you
Other
told
than that,
you are having all important people in your state. Huh? Very good. Tell me what is FEMA? FEMA. Foreign
yes, sir.
Exchange
Yes, yes.
Management Act. Foreign Exchange
Yes, sir, right.
Management
Exchange.
Act. Okay.
Yes.
What is mobile banking?
Sir, mobile banking is sir all the various banking facilities that we can access from our mobile phones, and for example, like payment of different kind of bills, money transfer, and then mobile wallets, and then different kind of recharges, and time to time payment, that is consecutive payments which are reoccurring in nature. Even those can be done, and
Okay.
other
Last
than that,
question.
sir,
Okay, last question for you. Up to what amount is bank interest exempted from tax deducted at source? Up to what amount fixed deposit interest is exempted from tax deducted at source? You don't know?
no, sir, I don't
40,000
know.
for people below 60 years. For people
Okay.
60 years and above, for them it is 50,000. Up to that much
Okay.
amount only, if you get interest in a financial year from a bank, it will not be deducted at source. In a
Okay.
bank,
Okay.
in a bank branch, if you are getting interest less than 40,000 in a calendar year, it
Yes.
will not be deducted, tax will not be deducted. Otherwise, now they are deducting 7.5% interest. Earlier it used to be 10% interest. Is that
Okay,
okay?
sir.
Very
Okay.
good.
Right,
Thank you.
right.
Thank you so
Right.
much. Thank you all of you. We will
Thank you,
meet
sir.
again
Thank you.
tomorrow.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Sir,
Bye.
question.
Yeah, tomorrow also you can come. I will put the link in the groups. Okay?
सर
Yeah.
कुछ
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
आप
बोलिए बोलिए.
सर आप फीडबैक बता सकते हैं क्या अभी?
For Nikita More, you answered nicely, but you need to pick up something more also, because you are not that much good in banking. आपको बैंकिंग का पूरा पढ़ा नहीं है, पढ़ने से भी बोलना नहीं आते.
yes, sir.
Right now आपको प्रैक्टिस नहीं आना, इसी वजह से. So if you practice for a few more days, you will be able to improve your ability. Here
Yes,
I am
sir.
not doing anything new. I am only giving you opportunity to talk in the presence of others. That's all. समझ गया?
Sir, what about me?
Who is that? Ankita? Alida?
Jyoti, sir, Jyoti Mishra. So
Jyoti
today is my
Mishra.
first day.
Jyoti Mishra, first girl. Yeah, yeah. I mean, you can yourself know the way you are answering, whether you have fully answered your questions. You would have I mean, I would have told then and there. If you have done some mistake, I would have corrected it. Based on that,
Okay, sir.
you can make yourself an assessment. And none of you did it very badly. And so excellent, 9 plus, कोई लिया नहीं है. Everybody is around 7 to 8 like this. Okay. Out of 10.
Any
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
sir, any progress in me from yesterday and today? Reshu this side.
Reshu Garg, you are asking? Yeah, definitely there will be improvement. For example, Sonali and all was hesitating to speak on the first day. Now at least she can openly talk, confidence. So that ability comes only when you participate for more number of times. You practice in your house also. Ask somebody to put questions to you, you answer them. Or go through my videos, put when the question comes, put stop, then answer the question, then run it, then go to the next question, answer it. Thereby you can check up with the answers also and evaluate yourself. All of you are between 7 to 8.5.
So did you notice there are all the girls present here?
I know. This is not the first day. It has been happening for second or third day. Sonali, you know, na, some days some boys will come, then they will go out without telling us. I don't know why. They only one boy or two boys will come, then they will go away. I don't know.
So,
The woman empowerment.
Woman empowerment. Anyhow, I am thankful to you for keeping me engaged, and you are also learning very well. But you know, banking being a vast, I have put in 32 years. After that, 20 years I am teaching. Still, there are
Hope
areas.
sir हम भी 32 या 35 years तक work कर सके.
Ah, at that age, you can do much better than what I am doing, because you will be learning more than what I have done. So the point is, interest in learning is what is more important. For example, Sonali has got interest, and of course, the one mistake I find in her is Sonali, permit me to say, confidence से नहीं बोलता है. फिर भी she has been with me for the third or fourth day. In spite of it, confidence से बात करना आता नहीं. Among the people here, the voice was very sound for somebody whose name was there, Ankita Das, or no, whose voice was very audible. Ankita. Yeah, correct.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, so Sonali, tell me whose voice was very much audible. It is not Jyoti, it is not Nikita More or Reshu. I think it must be Ankita only, where the sound was very good, confidence level was also good, and Alida was okay, nice. It's not that she was talking not good, but again there is always scope for improvement. We can do it. Okay. Jyoti Mishra, your performance is not bad. You may be getting around 7 or 7.5 out of 10. But in a competition like this, even 1 mark, 2 mark is more important. So you need to answer confidently. If you want to know, that boy will be sending me that video. I will post that link. Look at that one where those guys talk with what an amount of confidence. Of course, they are already bank employees. Even though they are bank employees, the questions are new for them and they manage those questions nicely. So that much confidence is what is needed. Otherwise, in my SBI CBO, I think I will be clearing 40 number of people success. Out of probably 200 people who would have taken training from me, nearly 40 people have come out successful so far. So many others may be informing me afterwards also. So only thing is, practice is what is more important. Jyoti Mishra, you are not doing bad.
Yes.
None of us are doing bad.
Yes, so we will improve.
Alida John, Ankita Dash, Nikita More, Reshu Garg, then Sonali Gautam. You are doing well, and only thing is, practice talking. If necessary, go to your room, close the door, stand before a mirror and talk. Practice. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Or if you want, you too can exchange your numbers so that you can talk among these 7 of you, can form a group and talk among yourselves about banking, current affairs and all that. Would you like me to send the numbers of all the people, or Yeah, if you can't speak loudly because you know it is being recorded. So how will you communicate? If you come to 72020, all of you come to 72020, there with your names you can message you separately. समझ गया? You note down
Okay,
the
sir,
names
okay,
of
sir.
these, you note down the names of other 6 people, so that 720 if you come, but most of you will not do that, I know, because all of you are shy so much, you may not like to talk to strangers, so that problem happens. So let us see how we can overcome that. But one way is Telegram 72020. If you are all coming there, I will give you the link of SBI IBPS PO 2021 also. You can make use of it. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Tomorrow we'll meet
Bye,
at
sir.
3 o'clock. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Hi.